Hello and welcome to the video on how to make an order. Really simple. In the previous video we talked about everything you need to know before making an order. And right now, since you do know which service is right for you and you read the description of each service, you chose the best one for your needs, let's make an order. So first, choose the category. In our example, we will order views. The second thing is to choose the right service for you. We want social views for YouTube. In the third field, of course, you will need to enter the link. So enter the link of the video, Instagram profile, Instagram post, Twitter profile, any social media platform or profile you need to order service for. In our case, it's a YouTube video, so I'm gonna go ahead and pass the video I want to boost with views. On the fourth field, we enter the quantity of what we want, the quantity of views, of Twitter likes or followers, whatever. For example, in our case, we want 1000 views for that video. And as you saw, once you type in the quantity, it will tell you exactly how much you will be charged from your current balance. So once you're sure that you have a right link, make sure that you have a right link, and you're sure which quantity you want, you're ready to make an order. And you're making an order by simply clicking on the Order Now button. Your order is received. And right after that, you can go to your Orders tab and see the status of your order, which is in our case processing, which means our servers are getting emptied for your order. If you have any problems with the order, you can open up a ticket. Just make sure that you do understand that nothing on this panel is basically instantly. It depends on many factors, and we already talked about that. Once you're ready for another order, go to new order and the same process. And this is so simple that who can't do it, right? See you in other tutorial, guys. NLO.